morning to all. In this video, we are going to see why the Specific Relief Act 1877 repealed. What is the purpose for the Specific Relief Act 1963 and what are the amendments which is carried out in the Specific Relief Act and what are the recommendations made by the law commissions in regard to the Specific Relief Act. First, we step on to the Specific Relief Act 1877. The Specific Relief Act 1877 will be formulated by the English Equity Court based on the New York Civil Code 1862. The New York Civil Code major provisions and the important things will be derived and the same will be incorporated into the Specific Relief Act 1877. The major problem in the Specific Relief Act 1877 is the act will be act as only as a declarative nature. There will be no active enforcement of things and the court will get the less powers when compared to the 1963 Act. The affected person only claim the damages instead of active enforcement of things. After independence, the Ninth Law Commission in the year 1958 recommended the central government to incorporate the new Specific Relief Act, and after the recommendation received from the Ninth Law Commission, the Union of India incorporated the Specific Relief Act in the year 1963, which able to effectively remove the defects of the 1877 Act, and the Civil Code got more power when compared to the 1877 Act. In the year 1985 to the year 1990, it was one of the worst period for the Indian nation, whereas we are heavily affected by the financial situation and the economy stumbled. Many of the economists felt it was the right time to open the gates for the globalization. Yes, we are luckily escaped from the financial emergency, and many economists felt that the foreign direct investment will able to save the Indian economy and bring our economy into the super nation. So it was the necessity arised for our Indian nation to strengthen our local laws. Yes, it once again the time for the Law Commission. The 147th Law Commission in the year 1993 recommended some amendments and the recommendations to be made in the Specific Relief Act 1963. The same recommendations and the suggestions made by the 147th Law Commission in the year 1993 has been kept into the shelf safely. None of the recommendation or the suggestion has been amended and incorporated into the Act. After the last 20 years, in the year 2014, after Modi government taking charge, the Law Ministry take on the recommendations and the suggestions made by the 147th Law Commission in respect of the Specific Relief Act 1963, and the same will be spent in the expert committee which is attached with that of the Parliament committee, and after some modifications or the changes made into the recommendations made by the 147th Law Commission, the same will be amended into the Specific Relief Act Amendment Act 2018, which provide a complete shape to the 1963 Act.